well, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add your property inquiries to your database like this. And yes, I'm also running a real estate agency and I also use 99 acres to collect the details of my own leads. Now I wish to add these details in my Google Sheets. For that we just have to use Pabbly Connect and create this amazing automation. And to do this you first have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your sheets or your database. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So this discount coupon code is just for you. Alright, so once you try Pabbly Connect, if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription of Pabbly Connect. Now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application I'm just going to search for 99 acres because I use 99 acres to collect the details of my real estate leads. And in order to search for 99 acres I'm just going to type 99 acres right over here and I'm going to select it. So I use 99 acres to collect the details of my own leads, but you can also use some another application too. Alright, so let's search for 99 acres and then we're just going to select it. Now for the event we have to select it as new leads right over here and then click on this connect. Once we're going to click on this connect, we're going to receive the webhook URL, and yes, this is very important, and this is the webhook URL which we have received right over here. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And for that you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 acres because 99 acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to talk someone from the backend team of 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And yes, I've already added this webhook URL in my account. So let's capture the details of my lead right over here. So now you can see that we have successfully received this response with the first name, last name, phone number or email. Now let's add these details in our Google Sheets. For that we have to close this and click on this add new action step. And now for the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it right over here. Then for the event, select add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. After doing this, you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here. And once you select both of this, one by one, you have to enter the details. But you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the details, just put a slash and then search for the detail you wish to map. And after mapping all the details, click on the save and send test request and I'm going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and I'm going to see the details have been added, be it the name, email or the phone number. Not only for this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new property inquiry using 99 acres, within seconds and in real time the details will be added in my database, or you can say Google Sheets. So go and try this amazing automation for your own real estate agency because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. Don't forget that the discount coupon code and the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.